everyone. So today I wanted to try something new. So today we're going to be baking Tres Leches Cake. I've collected all the ingredients for the baking and I've placed it here. So the first process starts with the plain flour, and we will be needing 240 grams of a plain flour to start with. So we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. So we're going to be adding 3/4 of teaspoon of baking powder. So we're going to mix all the dried ingredients together. So I'm going to be using 5 eggs. So the white goes in one bowl and the yellow goes in the other bowl. So we're going to be adding 250 grams of granulated sugar. So this is 250 grams of granulated sugar. So now I'm going to mix the egg white. So now we're going to be adding little by little sugar when you're mixing the egg. So I'm going to be mixing the rest of the sugar to the egg yolks. So we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're going to be adding the egg yolk mixture to the dry ingredients. And slightly mix it, and we shouldn't mix it too much. Just slightly give a mix. Until the dry ingredients are mixed well. So I'm going to be adding the egg white mixture. And then gently mix it. So this is the baking tray where I'm going to be using for the cake. So before using, we should make sure there's butter all over the baking tray before pouring the mixture into the baking tray. So we're going to be pouring the mixture into the baking tray. Make sure it goes everywhere. And then we're gonna scrape it like this into the bowl so the leftover mixture comes out. Scrape it nicely. So we're gonna add 354 ml of evaporated milk. So we're gonna add 160 ml of whole milk. And we're gonna add it to the mixture. So I'm gonna add sweetened condensed milk, which is 397 grams, to the mixture. So we're gonna whisk this together so the sweet condensed milk gets in well with the other milk. So just gentle whisk. So now the cake is ready. So we're gonna make some holes so in the cake so the milk goes inside the cakes. Just around the cake like this. Make sure we get everywhere. So once it's ready, we can pour the milk everywhere like this. Make sure you put everything.